Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode in this device. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down and find here battery item. Now just scroll down and find here battery saver mode and enable it. Great! Battery saver mode was successfully enabled. Now our device consumes less RAM, that means less battery power. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.